What's up guys, Tourchez here. Today we're working on a bigger canvas, a 30 by 40 inch. Working on more murals, I feel I've adapted to the task of painting on a larger, granted much looser canvas. We just fixed it up, we tightened it up, and we're about to begin. First thing we're gonna do is lay our pigments. I've named this painting Eve's Dream. I always wait till after finishing the painting to name it because sometimes it just doesn't match correctly with the original idea. I've been very interested in the Book of Genesis and the way that Adam, Eve, Kane, and Abel lived their lives. To me, they resemble just who we are instinctually: desire, curiosity, jealousy, devotion. These traits are seen through the many pigments: green, jealousy; vermilion, curiosity; red, desire; purple, devotion; yellow, it's life itself. I strive to make this painting resemble these traits we have as humans through an intimate moment shared by the first two. I've been really interested in red and green values together, very harsh and very unbalanced. Inspired by works of Van Gogh such as The Night Cafe, this combination symbolizes humanity's lowest moments. Just these two colors alone are loud together. To counteract this, I added tan tones to the body for a more subtle vibrancy. Working through this painting, I felt that 6 layers of pigment was good enough to get the vibrancy I wanted. I feel paintings transform when we create. At first, it's improvised, and then it's revised, capturing the movement at first, and later the actual figures. I feel as though improv, in and of itself, is actually a form of representation. The same way abstraction is the representation of the subconscious of yourself. It's the truth that we cannot see ourselves. Improv is very crucial to the development of my art. I'd like to sum it up to being almost like jazz. My paintings are very much inspired by the works of jazz artists like Dizzy Gillespie and Miles Davis and others of that caliber. First starts with a couple of broad lines and abstract lines, and sooner or later it develops into representing what I want it to. And it's a beautiful process being able to have your words speak out without even using words, with using colors and just lines. Speaking of lines, we're starting to do the line work. I feel as though a good darker red or darker blue really helps drown out the loudness of each color next to each other. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This painting is available on my website, and you can see it at the gallery, Red Fish Bowl in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please click that like button, subscribe, and comment down below what type of music inspires your art. Thank you, guys.